In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your very first trade on Robinhood and set up a simple routine for managing your investments. While profits are never guaranteed and the market can move in unexpected ways, sometimes resulting in losses, following a consistent process and practicing careful monitoring can help you become a more confident investor over time. To start, open the Robinhood application on your computer and log into your account using your credentials. Once inside, you'll see the main dashboard. At the top, there's a search bar. Click this to begin exploring potential investments. Type in the name or symbol of a stock, ETF, or even a cryptocurrency. It's a good idea to pick an asset that you're already familiar with or have taken some time to research. Understanding what you're investing in is key to making informed decisions. After you've found the security you're interested in, go ahead and click on it to open its detailed page. Now that you're on the assets page, you'll notice the buy button. Click this to initiate your purchase. If you're just starting out or trying a new strategy, it's best to start small. Enter a modest amount of money or number of shares that you're comfortable risking. Once you've typed in your desired amount, click Review Order to carefully check all the details. Make sure the number of shares and the order type are correct. When you're satisfied and ready, confirm your purchase by clicking Buy. With your order submitted, you are now an investor in your chosen asset. After your trade is placed, it's important to keep a close eye on how your investment is performing. To monitor your positions, navigate to your account icon and select Investing. Here, you'll find a summary showing your holdings and any gains or losses since your purchase. This regular check-in can help you stay up to date with changes, as prices can move quickly. Let's say your asset has appreciated and you've hit your target profit. Perhaps you've decided you'll sell once you've made a gain of $100. To close your position, go back to the assets page and click Trade, then select Sell. Enter the number of shares you want to sell, then click Review Order to confirm everything looks correct. When you're sure, complete the process by clicking Sell, locking in your gains. Over time, you can repeat this process each week with small positions, always watching the market and keeping your risk manageable. Remember, starting small and practicing regular monitoring is a sound way to build your skills without exposing yourself to unnecessary losses. Stay informed, be patient, and keep learning as you go. Happy investing.